Your girl's here. Sorry. I went to the doctor, got my B12, and I was checked because I have a cough. I was not allowed to go into my doctor, so I had to wear a mask. I'll show you that picture right here. So, once they ruled me out that I didn't have a fever or nothing, and my chest wasn't congested, it was just draining, I was okay. So, that ordeal's over with. So, I'm home now. So, I am back to being quarantined at home. So, I guess I'm stuck here for a little while. Oh, but today is Friday. Yay! Woo, woo! And I've got my blueberry green tea, diet blueberry green tea. Really good. It's blueberry flavor. It's not real strong. It's good though. But today is ravioli day. Woo! So we used to make fried raviolis, and they were so good. So my son's like, ooh, and I said, oh, that's Friday, ravioli day. He's like, ooh, you fried raviolis. Yeah. So I decided I'm gonna make fried raviolis. I just bought frozen raviolis, Walmart brand. This one has the meat in it. There's some that have just cheese. But I got the one with the meat in it. I said, put the meat, a little more protein in there for us. All right, right here I have an egg wash. That's just an egg and some water. I gotta mix it up some more. And I've got, I did panko. I said, I'll do panko instead of breadcrumbs. So this is what we're doing. I'm gonna add some stuff to this. So let me grab that. Right. So I grabbed Italian seasoning because normally I get the breadcrumbs with the Italian seasoning in it for the raviolis, but I used what I had in the house. So I'm gonna add, you can add as much as you want or as little as you want. It's up to you. That's what's nice about it. Do it any way you want. So I'll mix that up. And of course I have to go with my garlic powder. Yes. Gotta have that little bit of garlic in there. Just a little bit, but oh yeah. Look at that, seasoning just right. If there was smell-o-vision, I'd say smell this. But we don't have smell-o-vision. Thank goodness you don't have smell-o-vision, because there's sometimes people you just don't want to smell. So I've got my grease cooking in a small pot over here. A small pot here, so I can cook up. I'm not cooking up too many. I'm not cooking up a whole lot, just a few for him and I. Dad's at work, so, or Boo's at work. I'm sorry. Boo's at work, so Tyler and I are gonna eat these up. Oh, and back home when we were in Ohio, we used to go to, and Celeste, you're in Canton, so you'll know exactly, Papa Bear's. We went there and ordered their cheese sticks. Their marinara sauce is so good. Their pizza's good. We loved that place. But I did find marinara in the Walmart brand. I'm hoping it's good. If not, I might have to darken that up too. But we need some marinara sauce with it too. Gotta dip it. Alright, grease is hot, so let me grab a ravioli. Let's try this out. Let's try one that's almost thawed out. Put it in the egg wash. And I use two different forks. One for the egg wash, and then you pick it up with your fork. Oh, oh. I'm gonna do this. You get the ravioli picked up. Oh, it's this is not working for me very well today. Put it in there. Now that it's in here, I use my other fork to cover it. And get the back side. Oh, yummy. Now, I could possibly do this again, but I think this got covered pretty good. So, let me grab I grabbed tongs. Here we go. All right. And you pretty much just kind of go until it stops bubbling. Okay. Well, I go until it's done bubbling, which it's not doing. I mean, it's still bubbling. All right, while that's cooking, I'm gonna get another one and get that put in there. Okay, just threw another one in there. And you see the first one. Okay, it did not turn out right. So, this time I double breaded this. Let's see if that helps. Okay, this one, let's see. Now, it stayed on a little bit more than the other one did. I think I might have to go back to the breadcrumbs. I don't think the pancos are gonna work. Okay. Yeah, see? Even doubling it did not do it well. So, I'm fixing that. Alright, I double breaded it with breadcrumbs and a little bit of panko was still in there. So, let's see if that works out any better. Okay, just threw another one in, but this one here, looky. It worked! Look at it! Uh-oh! Oops! Alright, so they are browning up quite nicely. I put a plate here for Tyler. Ooh. Now, if you look, this one right here, what did you think of them?
Good.
Are they just like you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Even better, huh?
Yep.
All right, go eat them. Now, don't worry about the bubbling because that's because of the egg that we put in there. So it's gonna bubble up high, so you want to keep it low. I scooped some of the foam out because it was all over, and I couldn't find the raviolis. Okay, those are not done yet. My ravioli was a hit. He ate them all. That makes a mama very happy that her baby is eating. You know, I turned into this mama again, and I'm taking care of him, so I had to feed him. So I fed him, and I'm not cooking anymore today. This is it. So you guys seen my cooking for the day? Now, once he goes home, you're not going to see my cooking as much, folks. I'm telling you. Because we just eat a bowl of cereal if we don't know what we want to eat. But I'm done. I'm going to go rest. Still hurting a little bit from yesterday at the ballpark. I probably shouldn't have ran those bases, Phil. But you wanted me to do it. Nah, I wanted to do it. I thought I could. And I did. I did it. I was okay until I came home a little later. And then it's like, ooh. So this mama's going to go sit on some ice and cool down her back. I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammi some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.